大家好，我係阿木，歡迎嚟到無端端廣東話。今日我哋繼續講分享一，我叫李子俊。今日係第5部分 Part 5，我哋會做啲聆聽練習。聆聽 means listening. Today we will do some listening exercise. But before the listening exercise starts, let's do some revision. 今日我哋默書，默書 means dictation. If you have watched our last videos, you may know how to write some Chinese or Cantonese character. So you may dictate the word here. But if you don't, no worry. You may just write down the 粵拼. I think it is also helpful to remind you the pronunciation of the character. Okay, so let's start. 第一題，你。第二題，我。第三題，佢。第四題，叫。第五題，係。第六題 Question 6 is a sentence. However, we did not discuss the last 3 words, so I provide here. So, please write down the character, that you listened. 佢係你哋嘅老師。佢係你哋嘅老師。Once again， 佢係你哋嘅老師。好，我哋對答案。Let's check the answer. 第一題你，對粵拼 is NEI 5, which means you singular. But how to write it? Okay, let's write together. 撇直 This is a human radicals, right? And then 撇橫勾直勾撇點。第二題，我粵拼 is NGO tone 5. So what does it mean? I or me, right? Then how to write it? 撇橫直勾剔斜勾撇點。Question 3. 佢粵拼 is KEOI tone 5. It means he, she, it, him, her. And then follow me to write it. 撇直 also a human radical. 橫直。橫。Question 4. 叫 The 粵拼 of 叫 is GIU tone 3. What does it mean? It means to call, to address somebody's name is something. It is a verb, right? How to write it? It is a mouth radical. 直橫直橫。直接直。 OK， 第五題係粵拼 is HAI tone 6. What's it mean? It is verb to be, right? Is MR. It is a human radical, right? So it is 撇直. And then the other side, 撇剔點直勾撇點，得唔得？ Question 6， 佢係你哋嘅老師。Actually, the first 3 characters we have already written it down. The first one is 佢 is KEOI tone 5. It is a human radical, so it is 撇直橫直橫。And then the next one 係 verb to be. The 粵拼 is HAI 6. It is also a human radical, 撇直, right? And then 撇剔點直剔撇點。And then 你 is you, right? NEI tone 5. Also a human radical, 撇直撇橫勾直勾撇點。But the singular pronoun you plus another character they, then it will become a plural pronoun. You plural, right? So the 粵拼 of they is DEI tone 6. Very good, DEI tone 6. Because this is also a Cantonese character, so it is also a mouth radical. So mouth radical 直橫直橫橫直剔橫勾直直彎勾。Right? Okay, do you still remember what is this means? 佢 is he or she, right? We won't translate it here because it's talking about humans. 係 is a verb to be, so it is is. 你哋 you, but plus the 嘅 here, then it means your 老師 teacher. So he is your teacher or she is your teacher. 得唔得？ So in page 3 and page 4, you will see 4 questions. At the top of the page 3, you will see a guideline. What does it mean? 跟我讀一次，細心聆聽錄音內容，圈出正確選項。點解呢？ It is like this. 細心 here is an adverb, which means carefully. 聆聽 is a verb, which means to listen. 錄音 recording. 內容 content. It means to listen carefully of the recording's content. And then 圈出 圈 it means to circle. 出 is out. It means to mark it out. Okay, by circling. To mark it out by circling. 正確 correct. 選項 option. So listen carefully the recording and then to circle the correct options. Okay, let's try. Let's read the question and option first. 第一題，我叫咩名？我 is I. 叫 means somebody's name is something. 咩名 is a question word for what is your name. So it means what is my name here. because the recording is using the first person singular to introduce the name. So I used 我 here. A. 林家明 B. 陳珍妮 C. 木村成 D. 阿里 Okay, so I will play the recordings 2 times. 第一題，我叫木村成，我嘅好朋友叫阿里。第一題，我叫木村成，我嘅好朋友叫阿里。So, what is the correct answer? It should be C, right? C. Okay, let's look into the script. 跟我讀一次。我叫木村成，我嘅好朋友叫阿里。Okay, here you may not note one word, which is 好. Because 朋友 is a noun, so 好 here it means good, which is an adjective. So what does it mean? 我叫木村成 it means my name is 木村成。我嘅好朋友叫阿里。My 好朋友 good friend 叫阿里 is called 阿里 right? So it means my close friend is called 阿里。第二題，跟我讀一次。佢叫咩名？ It means what is his or her name? A. 黃美玲 B. 李子俊 C. 朴寶書 D. 陳珍妮 Okay, let's listen to the recording. 第二題，佢叫黃美玲，大家都叫佢阿玲。第二題，佢叫黃美玲，大家都叫佢阿玲。OK， 答案係 A. 黃美玲。Okay, let's look into the script. 跟我讀一次。佢叫黃美玲，大家都叫佢阿玲。But you may not know these 2 words, right? What is 大家? 大家 means everyone, everybody. And then 都 it has 2 meanings. The first one is in a conversation, right? 好高興認識你 Nice to meet you. 我都係啊 Me too. It means too or also. However, here, because everybody, 大家 is a group of people, right? So we better translate it as all. All of us will call her 阿玲. This sentence means her name is 黃美玲. All of us call her 阿玲. 得唔得？得 right? Good. 第三題，跟我讀一次。朴寶書係我嘅邊個？朴寶書 is a name. 係 verb to be. Is am I right? 我嘅 my 邊個 who. So here, this who means the relationship. Is asking the relationship between I and also 朴寶書。A. 同學 B 老師 C 助教 D 朋友。仲記唔記得呢幾個字點解啊？ Do you still remember what is the meanings of this word? A 同學 It means classmate. B 老師 It means teacher. C 助教 It means teaching assistant. D 朋友 It means friends. Okay, please listen to the recording. 第三題，我同朴寶書係同學，佢叫李子俊，係我哋嘅助教。第三題，我同朴寶書係同學，佢叫李子俊，係我哋嘅助教。答案係乜嘢啊？答案係 A 同學。Okay, let's look into the script. 跟我讀一次。我同朴寶書係同學，佢叫李子俊，係我哋嘅助教。Okay, here, you may don't know what is the meanings of the 同。同 here is a conjunction. It means and. It means that I and 朴寶書 are classmates. Okay, so this sentence, 我同朴寶書 I and 朴寶書 are classmates. Our relationship is classmate. And then he is going to introduce another guy. He is called 李子俊. And then 李子俊's identity is 我哋嘅助教 our teaching assistant. Okay? 第四題。Before that, I make a wrong page number here. It should be page 4. Page 4. Okay, page 4. 跟我讀一次。I know some word is difficult, but no worry. Just read after me first. 邊句句子正確 ？A. 我係阿里。B. 我嘅廣東話老師叫林家明。C. 馬莎莎係我哋嘅助教。D. 林家明係木村城嘅學生。Okay, let's look into some difficult word. We know 邊 is a question word, means which. 句 here is a measure word for a sentence. And then 句子 it means sentence. 正確 it means correct. Another new word is 廣東話 it means Cantonese. And then one more 學生 it means student. So this sentence 邊句句子正確 it means which sentence is correct. It means based on the recording. Okay, which sentence is correct? A. 我係阿里 it means I am 阿里。B. 我嘅廣東話老師叫林家明 it means my Cantonese teacher is called 林家明。And then C. 馬莎莎係我哋嘅助教。馬莎莎 is our 我哋嘅 our 助教 teaching assistant。 And then D， 林家明係木村成嘅學生。林家明 a person right， 係 is another person's 學生，木村成學生 OK， the students of 木村成，得唔得？ So let's listen to the recording。 第四題，我係馬莎莎，木村成係我嘅同學，我哋嘅廣東話老師叫林家明。第四題，我係馬莎莎，木村成係我嘅同學，我哋嘅廣東話老師叫林家明。答案係咩啊？答案係 B， 我嘅廣東話老師叫林家明。Let's look into the script。 跟我讀一次。我係馬莎莎，木村成係我嘅同學，我哋嘅廣東話老師叫林家明。So 我係馬莎莎 I am 馬莎莎，木村成係木村成 is 我嘅 my 同學 classmate， 我哋嘅廣東話老師，我哋嘅 means our， 我哋 means 馬莎莎 and 木村成 and also there are other classmates。 廣東話老師 Cantonese teacher is called 林家明。Understand right? OK， 今日講完啦，下次見，記得 like、comment、share啊，拜拜。